Hey guys, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make slime, but I'm just going to show you how to make slime. So all you're going to need is Suave. It has to be Suave. If it's not Suave, then it's not going to work. You need Suave shampoo. You're going to need something to mix with, but it has to be a fork or anything that's kind of that mixes really good. And a plastic bag. So, how you're gonna do this is, hold on, let me angle it. Note that. Yeah, I'm trying to put it at the right angle because I want you guys to see that how I did it, how I'm doing it. Because this is not a tutorial. So, you grab your plastic bag and your shampoo, and you put on top of the plastic bag, don't open it, on top you put your shampoo as much as you want, because the more you put, that's how much slime you're putting in. That's how much slime you're making. I'm trying to hold up, let me pause that. It's making sounds. And then that should be enough, because you don't want that much. Hold up, I'm gonna go put this away. So, okay, once you have it, you can mix it, but you don't have to. But I'm just a weirdo and I like mixing. You feeling me? Okay. So I'm gonna mix it. And then once you've mixed it, you can just skip this step and not do it, because I'm just a weirdo and I like mixing. You're gonna have to leave it overnight, 6 or 10 hours or 8 hours. You're gonna have to leave it somewhere. You can do this, you can put it overnight, or currently right now it is 3:06, so in 3 hours, in 6 hours, wait, it's gonna be 9 o'clock. So I might check on it on 9 o'clock, or if it's 10 hours, then at 13, which would be 1 in the morning, or you can leave it longer. So I'm gonna be checking on that, and I'm gonna be doing this at part. So this is part 1, and part 2 will be either coming out today, later on today, or just tomorrow. So thank you guys so much for watching part 1 of my slime video. Bye.